Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to do a balloon bow and arrow. So for this tutorial I'll be using 260s and it's a 260 blue. So let's get started. So inflate the balloon. Almost all the way. Okay, let's tie it up. And put them together, tie it up. So from here to the other end, pull, and this point over here, we're gonna do a twist. Alright, so next, take another balloon, inflate it. Tie it up. We're going to start with pinch twist. So one pinch twist, two pinch twist. Sorry, I mean one bubble, two bubble. Lock them together. Twist them together. We're going to take our previous balloon, gonna wrap it around one side, twist it back to the pinch twist, so you can see it's one whole loop around. Then we're gonna leave a space in between, so this is where the arrow is gonna be sitting on. Then two more pinch twists, so one bubble, two bubble, twist them together, and how I do it, I go through the middle and I twist them together. So one clockwise, one anti-clockwise. Then part over here, can do one loop around. And tie it back to the pinch twist. Oops. First, don't worry. Get another balloon. Tie it back to the same place. Tie it off. Alright, so make sure it's secured in. Same thing, gonna do one whole round. This. Tie it in. After twisting a few rounds, you can tear this off. We don't need it anymore. And this will be the bow. And to complete it, just need a 260. And what I do is that I flatten the whole balloon, so I hold the tip of it. And I lightly hold it, squeeze it, and pull the air out. All the way, lightly. So as you can see, it's all flat. Then I'll tie it up. And then, I tie it to one end. A dead knot, pull across to the other end and tie it again. So there we have it. This will be the string to shoot the bow. Shoot the arrow. New blue 260, you can take the remaining one that I have just now, inflate it. Alright, it should be slightly longer than the bow, like this. So when you pull, there's still some space over here. If it's too short when you pull, it won't be enough to shoot. Alright, So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna let go some air. And we're gonna do 2 bubbles. Lock them together. Twist it. And there we have it. This is the arrow. So I put through. Tug on it and shoot. Now I'm going to do some demonstrations on my kids. Alright, so you can see I've done a blue one for my son and a pink one for my daughter.
I'll tell you something.
Want to give it a try?
Hey, look at me. Okay, look at me.
Just pull through. And...
Dirty.
No. Wait, tell me.
Hey, Papa,
Put here.
hey, look
Pull
at me.
through. Let go. Like that.
I want to. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
The helmet.
I want
So it can be worn as a helmet as well. Can be worn as a body armor as well. Give it a try. Does it wear as an underwear as well? Hiya!
So you did, huh? I win.
Wow.
I exercise.
Yeah.
Exercise is fun.
Whoa, that's a nice one. You try. Pull
Later you pull and
and let go. Whoa! And try again.
Papa, look.
Shoe.
Yes.
Yeah, come, let me help you. Hand hold here. Right hand. Put through. Hold here. Yeah. So as you can see, this design is loved by boys and girls.
Bye.